Hey guys, welcome back to another Airbnb tour with me, and I'm very excited to share our space with you because this Airbnb is located in, drumroll please, yes, Dubai! You heard it right. We are in the City of Gold and we are so happy to be here. Hey guys, we're in the airport in Malta and this is our second attempt to go in Dubai.
But we get it.
And at last we get it. So see you soon, first in Paris.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Paris Charles de Gaulle Airport. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off.
Guys, from where we are, we need to walk 35 minutes to our terminal, which is 2A. Let's go. I think we're going to turn around all the airport of Paris Charles de Gaulle. 35 minutes. Doon ang gate namin, doon. Isang 2 oras na lang, biyahe na kami.
So now we are just before the flight to go to Dubai, and we should be there in around 6 hours.
Yeah. See you, Dubai!
See you there!
So just to check, guys, the plane didn't take off yet, but good news is we are all upgraded in this one where we have a big space here and the TV that we have here. After takeoff, we can have it. Pasta, rice, desserts, and water. I have water again. Welcome to Dubai.
Welcome to the Dubai airport.
If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please just click on the subscribe and the bell button below so that you will not miss another vlogs and Airbnb videos like this. Okay, let's get started. First, we have our living room. Here, you see directly this huge white sofa and this round glass table. But the best thing for me here in our living room is this glass window everywhere. Apart from the fact that this is our living room, we also use this as a working room as well. Now, let's go to the balcony. The balcony is only separated by the glass door, which means that although you are in the living room, you will also see the balcony area and its view. In this room, we have a mini sala, which is very practical if you want to welcome some guests or just hang out for a minute and enjoy the traffic noise. If you just like, of course. This area is very busy, so expect to wake up by a beeping or honking of a cars and a bit of workload. Let's go to the master's bedroom. This Airbnb has 2 bedrooms and has its own beauty inside, which is amazing even during the day or night. So like I said before, this is the master's bedroom, and of course, you will see this magical view directly because of the glass window in the whole room. So crazy and beautiful, right? We have a king-size bed, this beautiful drawer with a beautiful view, and the coolness here in our room is that we have a door that can lead to the balcony. How cool is that, right? If I need a towel for my shower, all I have to do is to walk through that door and voila! Now moving on to Killian's room. For those of you who do not know Killian, he's Ben's cousin. So this is Killian's room. He has his huge bed over here, a nice painting, a drawer covered with glasses, but he still decided to put his stuff at the top of the drawer because why not? But this is no ordinary room because the most interesting thing about his room is that he has his own balcony. So apart from our apartment, this Airbnb has some amazing facilities inside. And the first amenity I want to share with you is the table tennis area. And I would like to introduce to you the two undefeated table tennis masters, Killian and Ben. Next up is the fitness area. This gym is open to all tenants here. It is fully equipped and is again surrounded by a glass window, as you can see, which gives us a nice view while we do some training sessions. Beside the table tennis and the gym area, we also have our pool surrounded with trees and gigantic buildings. And if you want to enjoy the pool, upon entering here, they have introduced some new rules that we must follow. We are obliged to fill in a slip of paper with our name and room number, and of course, they also have to check our temperature for the COVID purposes, of course. In the pool area, you will also see some people ziplining, which is really cool and amazing. The nice thing about our place is that we are near in the mall, just there, and then it's really convenient for us to go somewhere, like for the beach, to do grocery, because it's really near, and it's even safer here. Since we live in Marina, Dubai, we also have a quick access to its beach. And here are some clips of us enjoying the beach and the futuristic view. Now, for the most exciting part, let me show you the night view of our Airbnb because it's so damn cool and the sparkling light coming from other buildings makes this place breathtaking and unforgettable. That is all for this video. Tell me in the comment section below your favorite part of this Airbnb. And if you like this video, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to enjoy more videos like this. Bye and see you soon!